Aeronautical material. Join parts into whole. One-piece molding production constructed off-site at the factory. Structure to prevent leakages. No leakage. Drying installation. Installation at site. 4 hours installation time guarantees uniform high quality. Fully constructed at the factory. Enables extremely high consistency. Scientific measured slope to improve drainage. Specially designed pattern to enhance water flow. Destroy the water tension. Lotus leaf shaped bionic technology. Lotus leaf shaped surface. Quick drying. Self-cleaning. Come out of the mud unsoiled. Nano silver technology. Antibacterial, anti-mold effect. One-piece structure. Avoiding tidal seamings. Curvy edge angle enables easy cleaning. Hair cleanup technology. Gather the hair into ball shape for easy cleaning. Ultra-large sanitary seal keep the toilet fresh and odor-free. Foot, ground, titles, wooden floor panel. The lower the thermal conductivity, the better the heat preservation effect. Low thermal conductivity to prevent the wall getting damp. Air reservoir protection.